just want to say how grateful I am for this rental. This has been my daily driver for the past week. It's a 22, I believe, Toyota Tacoma. I'm pretty sure it's the base version. It's not even a V6, but I'm grateful for, you know, the truck, and it's amazing. I mean, I've never really daily driven a truck before, so this would be my first one. It treated me nice, took me everywhere I needed to go, and the gas wasn't bad. The only thing about the gas is, though, it is a truck, so it's bigger than my Honda, so it is more expensive to fill up over the fact that it has a bigger tank. But for a truck, it's pretty good on gas. Only thing is, I wish it was turboed. You could hella tell the truck is slow, man. It's slow. But anyways, let's take a quick look. Here she is. She is a 4-door. Tiny cute ass bed right here. But hey, I utilized her, went to storage with them. I love the red interior. So you guys already know crimson is red, so I love that. Red stitching as well, so that's dope. Hey y'all, she back. Oh, how much I miss her. It's been too long. It's been too long. Man, she back. And she finna be better. Soon to have a colder intake on there.